Ang cute. Taksya po.
Pukpok palayok. One, two, sarang! Hey!
Annyeong, this is Monica.
What's up, everyone? This is Chancy.
Hello, my name is Pia, and we are One to Sarang, your favorite K-pop and K-drama podcast. And sa lahat ng mga carrots, wag kayong mag-alala. Hindi namin kayo nakakalimutan. Mahal na mahal namin ang pagiging carrot.
Yes.
And especially now that yet another unit has just debuted. And we are talking about V8. How excited are you guys about V8?
My
So
God, let's go.
excited. From the moment they announced this, oh my God. Could not wait.
It's a rave.
Kasi parang bawal to pag-usapan without just commenting on Vernon's hair during their listening party.
Right? Yes.
Ah.
He looks like Zuko ng Avatar The Last Airbender.
Zuko
I'm not
during
kidding.
his dark times, though.
No, Zuko during, not his dark times, nung live action Zuko, nung natanggal na siya sa Fire Nation, tas hinahanap niya yung self niya.
Kaya nga,
Yung
dark
second
times niya
season.
yun eh.
Ah,
Dark
dark
times
times
nga
niya
niya
ba
yun eh.
Hindi, dark siya nung
Oo.
nasa Fire Nation pa siya. Wow.
Yeah.
But yes.
As
During
not
his,
an Avatar fan,
oo.
hindi ako makasali. During
But-
his what?
Pero gets ko naman, but yes, he's a mop head, is all I can
Yeah.
say.
I
Not
love
my
it.
most favorite Vernon look,
Are you
I love
but
this.
yeah,
I love it so
I
much.
don't
He
like it
looks
so much.
so good.
Oo.
my
Pero
God.
baka kung makapanood ko itong music video, magets ko kung bakit ito yung desisyon niya sa buhay niya. Desisyon
But
ng mga
yeah.
stylist.
That is why we are here for the music video from their latest album, from their debut album. And we are watching Sing a Song!
Aha.
Nakakatawa na Sing a Song yung title, but I'm so sad.
Sing a
Sing a
song. Make it
Every day I'm
simple.
shuffling. Biglang gagawin. Guys, marunong kami mag-shuffle. Abangan ninyo.
ng baraha.
Maghanda kayo.
Charot.
ng tarot cards.
Tarot cards.
Ganon. Okay, di na namin patatagalin. Let's do our MV reaction. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yes.
Okay, and here we go.
Here we go. Oh.
Ay.
Nako.
Wow. First love.
love.
Ang pogi talaga ni Noni. I love it. I love it. Ay, tayo ba yun?
Oh my God, that's me. Parang may itsura akong ganyan sometime before.
Hala, Dino. May patrot.
Ay.
Hot?
Ayan na.
Hot set ba ito?
Oo nga, no, may
Tsaka
kabayo pa.
adrenaline.
Oo, correct. Ah.
Ayan na.
Ready na sila. Why not? Video okay, why not? Ang kulat! Ay,
Oh. Ay, sino siya?
kaya nga eh. May
Babae.
magandang babae na naman.
Oh, yung unicorn.
Ay!
Cute. Taksya po.
Pukpok palayok. Ay,
Naku.
You and I ba yung nakalagay doon?
sing a song.
Sing a song.
Oo.
What is a megaton?
What is a megatalk?
Feeling ko it's one of
Megatron
those...
is like,
Megatalk pala.
yung
Feeling ko
megatalk.
it's one of those parang Voltron kind of character.
Iba pa.
Feeling ko lang.
Let's go.
Cute-cute talaga ng choreo.
I love it. Ay,
Ako, hindi ako
Aww.
dyan.
bakit siya nasunto?
Aww. Inantok lang sila eh. I feel like
Fun.
megaton.
Brother?
Bertha? Hindi ko alam.
Big Bertha? Kasi arcade ang theme.
I need to Google Mechatalk.
Go.
Yeah, I don't know what a mechatalk is either. And it was central to this song.
Yun
ano?
nga eh. And Megatron and Pikachu. So what are
Yun
the
nga eh,
similarities
isn't
of
it
Pikachu?
Kasi nakalagay peek at you dun sa subs. I feel like peek at you sa English subs. Pero Pikachu, di ba?
Pikachu yung rinig ko. Tsaka it
Pero
makes
yung
more
subs,
sense. I
nakalagay
feel like
peek at
Pikachu. I feel like
Exactly.
Megatron. I feel like Mechatalk.
That's
So
what
it's
I was
three
thinking as well.
and
But
like-
then,
Oh.
yung subs nakalagay peek
Pikachu.
at you.
Or baka it's a play on words?
So Mechatalk, he's actually a German music producer and DJ.
Ah.
So, baka isa sa mga idol ni Ming Hao. Di ba he went to Berlin or something?
Oo.
In China.
Months ago.
So, anong
Sa
connection?
Shanghai.
Ni
No, but
Mecha...
he went to Berlin to
Oo.
Nag-DJ
spin
din siya
stuff.
sa Berlin.
Oo, correct.
No, he just went to studios.
To study. To study the art of
Study.
DJ.
No,
I
but
know.
he did say that he really
Oo.
like literally studied.
Correct.
So perhaps, yeah.
So, anong connection ni Mechatalk kay Megatron at kay Pikachu?
Maybe maganda kasi yung sounds like.
Ah.
To be fair, parang hindi din naman siya yung lyrics na kailangan nating intindihan.
Yun nga, hindi naman
Oo
siya,
nga eh.
hindi siya,
There's
hindi siya,
nothing there.
oo, it's just very fun. And
Oo.
it's like, I don't know, like, there's this song that's like, in my head, na it sounds like that. Like, ganun yung vibe. Parang medyo childlike clubbing music. May ganun siyang vibe for me.
Blue? Charis.
Hindi blue. Pero parang in that same kind of like avenue of things. Yung medyo whimsical clubbing music. Parang ganon. Whimsical house.
Yeah.
Parang ganon.
Did you like
Whimsical
it?
house.
How, did you guys like this first?
It was
their title
fun.
track?
It was fun. And I think for me, parang I really appreciate how they do the units. Kasi iba-iba talaga. And I feel like talagang nakita mo yung flavor of each and every member in the unit dito. Sobrang,
Yeah.
I mean, like, sobrang tama ang desisyon ng isang Vernon at isang D8. Like,
Yeah,
sila lang yung
correct.
kayang makagawa ng ganitong klaseng song at ganitong klaseng music video.
Thanks to Hal for doing the initiative. And if I'm not mistaken, this is our first time seeing Noni drive. Kasi parang kahit sa mga TTT, lagi siyang passenger princess or nasa likod natutulog.
But he's
Oo.
always surrounded by cars. Like, was it FML ba yun? Or Happy Birthday or something?
Oo.
Basta siya yung laging hindi nagda-drive. Pero
Oo.
yung set niya sa music
Sa
video
sasakyan.
ay
Correct.
sasakyan.
Oo.
Parang ganon.
Oo.
Parang feeling ko ito yung first time kong nakita siyang mag-drive. And
Oo.
parang, yes. And especially since in one of the interviews, gusto daw niya first car niya has a V8 engine because the V8
Kasi
needed to
V8
make
yung
it,
tuhog.
to make it significant.
Yes.
And alam mo yun, kapag madami kang pera, bakit hindi?
Bakit
Alam mo
hindi?
yun, first car?
Oo. Ano yung sasakyan ni
Yes.
Ming Hao? Di ba parang sports?
Naka-Ferrari siya.
Naka-Ferrari siya. O, di ba?
Oo.
Laki pa ng bahay niya daw sa China. Go.
Correct.
Get that dough. Make that money.
know.
Make that house.
Deserve.
Get that car. Yes.
Wait, gusto ko lang ibalik si Mechatalk. So, he actually co-composed this song.
That's why. So, signature niya to.
Yes.
Okay.
Or shout out lang. bakit hindi, DJ Khaled, hindi ganon. Kaya
Wala,
kailangan
hindi-
kasama
hindi
siya sa
ganun yung
lyric.
thing niya.
Oo.
Paulit-ulit
Baka
siya
hindi niya
kasama.
yung thing.
Oo. Mas maganda naman to. Talagang central
Correct.
siya dun sa song eh.
And isipin mo, napag-google tayo, ngayon kilala na natin siya.
Correct.
correct.
Kilala natin si Mecha Talk. Oo.
Correct.
Ano kaya niya si Mecha Star?
Kaano-ano kaya niya si... Wala akong malapag.
Ah,
I'm
wala.
so sad.
Siya bang may-ari ng Mecha Sardines?
Alamin natin. Maybe if we go to Berlin, we can find out.
Correct. Yes.
But it does feel like it feels very Euro nga.
Yeah.
Very,
oo.
very Euro track.
Very
I actually
Euro
like
track.
it. It's exactly what I imagined this album's gonna be like.
Exactly.
We have yet to I waited. I have yet to listen to the rest of the songs.
Mm.
Pero the moment they announced the V8 they're gonna join forces, I'm like, oh okay, it's gonna be that. This
Yeah,
music is exactly
exactly.
how I imagined it would be. Ganun.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
And finally, just for Vernon, because he's been coming out with tracks that are always like nasa punk rock, nasa
Yeah.
mga grunge emo.
Mm-mm.
And then now we see this side and he's like the main producer of everything, di ba?
Mm.
So parang siya talaga din yung nag-ano. Dahil si Ming Hao nga ang kanilang marketer. Kasi nag-ano ni Ming Hao si Noni sa sound kasi parang he was so stubborn about it. So,
Oo.
okay, Noni, let's see. We see
So, si Noni
this
pala
side
ang
of you.
punong abala dito.
Parang yung pinaka-final, polishing final decisions.
Went through him.
Oo, siya na. Kasi parang
Interesting.
binigay na ni Ming Hao kasi napaka-stubborn nga daw.
AKA
Diba? Ang cute ng
mahirap
dynamics
katrabaho.
nilang dalawa.
Well, matagal
Yun na
naman
pala
din
yun.
kasing matagal rin naman kasing, I mean, not saying naman na Ming Hao isn't that. Pero parang mas maraming, kumbaga, music credits,
As
composing, producer credits
Yeah.
si Noni.
Totoo din
So,
naman.
kaya na niya na yan. Baka kaya may ganun na siyang work ethic. Ganun.
Oo.
Tsaka yun nga, si Ming Hao lang yung may kayang kumatrabaho sa kanya ng ganito.
Oo.
Aminado naman sila. And it works. Like,
Yeah.
synergy.
True that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-mm.
I think it's time to do our rewatch at
Yes.
tingnan
Yes,
natin
please.
ang
Around
mga
two.
detalye.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Okay, so
Okay.
here's our round 2.
Let's go. First Love. Is that part of the
Ay, sorry.
album?
First Love, hindi ko
Oo.
sure kung kasama sa mga tracks.
I haven't checked on the album yet eh.
Ang pogi, oh. Tingnan mo, oh.
I know, super pogi.
It's giving. I love this look on him. How versatile is his hair?
Correct. It can be many things.
Right?
Correct.
Oo.
Sino yung mga matatandang nagaganon? Or is this parang prelude to Dino? Picture.
Tuhog pala siya sa picture.
Oo. May universe silang
Nakakatawa yun.
tinatawid.
Nakakatawa.
Diba, even the music video, it's so Euro pop, Euro
Oo.
techno
Totoo.
back in the 90s,
Mm-mm.
that kind of thing.
Yun nga, baka feeling ko dun galing yung parang familiarity. Tapos may part yun, diba? Parang one of those like
super.
Macarena-esque
mga Venga
song.
Boys.
Venga Boys, exactly.
Correct.
Venga Boys. Ayun, medyo Venga Boys tong sound. The sound is kind of in the Venga Boys alley. Oo, yung ganun parang medyo quirky,
Gets
whimsical.
ko. Oo.
Alam mo
Tapos
yun.
bagay pa yung yung very viral airport look ni Vernon. Yung naka-boots siya tas naka-shorts. Yun, pwede siya yung
Ayun,
Venga
bagay
Boys.
dito. Yung, is
Yes.
he gay or European? Yun ang tanong.
Exactly.
Oo. Hence, Venga Boys.
Oo, yun na nga, ang tuhog.
Yun ang tuhog.
O, ayan ulit
Ayun na nga,
naka-shorts at boots.
Yun nga yun. I
Pasok sa
love
banga.
it. Correct.
Truth. Career na career.
Ala.
Oh,
Nakita niyo ba may body
Oo.
Ang saya
builder
ng
na
mga
babae?
cast. Oo, ang saya ng
Oo.
cast of characters. Even
I
in the
love
club
it.
earlier, mayroong naka Son Goku na hair.
Correct.
Oo, yun.
As a must, as a staple in like mga ganyang mga galawan.
Cute. Ang saya-saya lang.
Ang saya.
Sing-sang.
Sobrang kulit ng may mga aspects pa ng mga video gaming and stuff like that.
Correct, oo.
Tsaka yung Dance Dance Revo. Bilang
True.
si Noni yung mataas yung score dun sa I
Correct.
Challenge. 8+.
Parang ano siya, no? Sorry, may vibe talaga siya na parang ano siya, frenzied, dream-like kind of. Oo, may ganong, alam mo yun, parang or high ka. Or
Sa
ganon.
totoo lang, parang ganyan mo siya dapat i-enjoy.
Oo.
Medyo.
Based lang sa mga kwento, hindi naman namin alam
Correct,
kung ano
oo
yung
nga.
feeling.
Oo.
Narinig
Like,
lang namin.
it's giving, not exactly like it, pero parang i-train spotting na natin to. Parang
Oo, exactly.
Nakakatakot naman yung train spotting girl.
Pero nakakatakot ang train spotting.
Parang medyo nakakatakot yung
Ganun
train spotting.
levels. Oo.
Parang feeling ko more like yung mga teenage road trip in Europe kind of vibe. Ganon. Na may mga hijinks.
Euro trip?
Euro trip, ganon. May mga hijinks. May ganon.
Okay.
Oo.
Nakairita kasi yung Euro trip.
Totoo naman. To a degree, I guess.
Yeah.
Oo. As a teenager, I think it's a teenager's dream.
Sobrang nakakatawa tong nila, their game character personas.
Correct.
May
Cute.
muscles.
I really like that. Ang laki nung kay Ming Hao, oh. Sino yung loko niya?
Ala. And there are two Minghas.
I do! Pogi ni Ming Hao dyan, no?
Sino ba yung babaeng yun? Napakaganda niya.
I
Is this
think
supposed
si
to be
Joshua as a sirena.
Oo nga eh.
Ayan o, ang ganda ni
she's
ate.
pretty.
So, yung sasakyan nila nahulog din. Oo.
Pati nga yung horse.
Yung horse sa tubig din?
Famous parang underwater kiss.
Underwater kiss?
Yeah, yung sobrang sikat din nung 90s. Anyway, sige, maalala namin yan.
Like Pirates of the Caribbean? I don't
May
know.
underwater kiss dun?
Hindi ko maalala actually.
Iniisip ko nga kung Romeo and Juliet
Hindi.
Anyway.
Ay!
Basta parang mga
Oo!
swimming pool yun.
pero swimming pool
correct.
yun.
Underwater
Yun nga,
kiss.
underwater
Parang ganun
kiss.
yung vibes.
Ayun o, yung horse.
Because it's the year of the fire horse, guys.
Correct.
Pero
Oo.
nasa
That's
water
it.
siya.
Oo. For balance.
Ang kulit.
Fun.
Tapos may mga palabas-labas na mga fireworks. Ang kulit.
Mas nakakita na ko sa niya. Yung cut-to-cut niya na different night day
Correct.
change
Oo.
outfit.
Oo. Fun yan.
The details.
Ang fun ng part na to
Ang kulit.
The Noni.
Oo. Oo, sing a song nakalagay.
After doon.
Ay,
Tapos
sorry.
merong yung heavy machine sa likod.
Oo.
Yun lang.
Ay, track.
Palayok!
Oh!
Think everywhere.
Bakit kaya nila piniling pink, no?
Actually,
Ano
Feeling
ba
ko
yung
nakikibrat
statement
summer
na yun?
sila. It's their version of a brat
Ah.
summer.
Because why not?
Oo. Yung
And
mga
it's
like
so-
neons, ganun.
And it's so minghaw also yung para akala mo magda-drop yung beat pero hindi. Mag-anti-drop na naman
Oo.
tayo. So, palayok, diba? Para akala mo, yeah, tatalon na. Nope. Oh, yeah.
O, diba?
Ay, nakakatuwa yung part na yun.
Pinakita nila yung
May green
Oo,
screen.
na-agree.
Oo.
Oo.
Green screen tuloy na, oo.
Oo. In fairness, hindi siya tight. Maluwang siya. Parang lang siya naka-hoodie.
Correct. Para komportable.
Oo
Hindi siya
naman.
mainitan.
Parang hindi nakakahiya din. Parang hindi siya
Tama.
mag-quit sa industry, Char. Mm-mm. Ang fun ng sayaw. Parang talaga siyang...
It really feels like an homage to yung Everyday or Shuffle.
Shuffle.
Oo,
Really?
yes.
Oo.
May ganung vibe.
They did play that
Oo.
during their listening
Oo.
party too.
Baka si Mecca Talk involved din doon.
Oh, check
Alamin
nga natin.
natin.
Baka kaya may ganung homage.
I'm so sorry, pero talagang yung low voice noni, iba talaga yung effect.
Oo.
Like, yung kasi, lalo na galing ka sa auto-tuned noni, parang,
Oo.
okay, gets naman, pasok naman, pero yung bigla kanyang, I see you're having fun with a low voice.
Oo.
Ooh, wait, okay.
Oh,
Sinuntok siya. Si Noni din sinuntok.
Pero pink pa rin.
Correct.
Kyo. 100!
100.
Perfect! Sing a song. Hindi ko na nabasa masyadong lyrics. What's it about?
Nothing. Just...
Okay. Being with you
Vibes.
is fun, is vibes. Okay.
Parang ganun lang.
Lovely.
Togetherness.
Oo, togetherness, having fun.
Happiness.
Oo.
Ganyan.
Ganda. I feel like it's a great summer addition to your playlist. It's a great addition to your summer playlist. Parang
Mhm.
ganun.
Mahaba siya.
Yeah, it's 3
Oo.
minutes
Like,
long.
considering.
Good job.
Mm-mm.
Yeah. So, Mecca Talk has nothing to do with the LFMAO
Mm.
song. But I guess it's just a fun reference.
Yeah.
Oo,
Cute
correct.
naman.
Oo. Yeah. Pasok
Is
naman din
this-
sa banga.
Is this enough for you to want to check out the rest of the album?
Oh,
for
yeah.
example?
Oh.
Super. Actually, I'm looking at their list now. They have 8 songs.
Yes.
Oh my
Wow,
God.
that's a lot.
amazing.
Oo.
I'm so excited.
V8.
Yeah.
Oo. In fairness.
And they're also promoting... Crap, what's the other song that they're promoting? Wait, nakita ko kanina. Rat Race. There you
Rat
go,
Race.
sorry.
I
Rat
was gonna
Race
say,
yung
Rat Race sounds
B-side
interesting.
na pinapromote din nila.
Parang feeling ko, counter tempo siya ng nito. May ganun akong vibes. Feeling ko lang.
Let's see, is it gonna be... Obviously, it's gonna be a full house kind of
Oo.
Yeah.
DJ, kind of. Kaya din pati yung vibe ng nila, concert is like...
Oo. Rave
Party
talaga.
time.
Party time talaga. Oo.
Yeah.
Kaya sa mga carrots out there na hindi pa pumaparty at gustong pumarty with them, mag-practice na kayo ngayon.
Pwede din naman hindi. Kung si Dino nga, diba, nag-chill lang sa likod, gano'n. Tapos parang si DK tsaka si Joshua din, parang painom-inom lang, parang ganyan. Pwede
Oo
naman.
nga.
I mean,
Kita mo na parang
why
their
not?
childhood
Ano lang
was
bet
spent
nila?
working.
Oo.
Not partying.
Mga
Walang
moments na
gumagano.
ganyan. Correct. So, side to side lang tayo.
Oo.
But yeah, we will be having a full album review, and please, Carrots, watch out for that because we are so happy that this unit finally gave us their music, and it's really such a gift to all of us, especially with 17 OT13's temporary hiatus.
I
Pero
know.
busog pa rin tayo.
Correct.
Marami pa rin mga
Oo.
padating. So we
Totoo.
will see you in that episode, dear Carrots. This has been fun. Please do share this episode with your friends. We are on TikTok, Instagram, and on Threads. And please do share this episode. We are on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and on YouTube. We will see you on our next episode. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa. Chagoya. Sarang hey.
Sarang hey!
Heart to heart.
Bye!